Hello everyone and welcome to Goodies Recommendations. Today we will recommend you the top 3 most popular air pumps for 2025. Which air pump is the best? Mini metal inflatable pump, portable inflatable pump, smart inflatable pump. Let's find out. First of all, an air pump is a tool that can inflate various items through compressed air, whether it's car tires, bicycle tires, or a variety of outdoor inflatable equipment. An air pump can quickly fill them with air, saving time and energy and enhancing the convenience of life. Next, we'll explore the features and benefits of 3 main types of air pumps. The first is the mini metal air pump. This air pump is compact and easy to carry. It can do intelligent pressure detection, preset tire pressure, and automatic stop, with a battery capacity of 350 mAh, especially suitable for short trips and daily use. The second model is a portable air pump. This air pump is lightweight and suitable for long-distance traveling. It has LED digital display, 800 mAh battery for more durability, equipped with multiple interfaces, can be filled with many types of devices, high flexibility in use. Let's take a look at the tire filling speed of the portable air pump. It takes 9 minutes and 10 seconds to inflate a 195/65 R15 tire, 2 minutes and 20 seconds to inflate a 26x 1.95 mountain bike tire, which can be inflated by 6-7, and only 1 minute and 30 seconds to inflate a 700x 23C road bike tire, which can be inflated by 7-8. The third model is the Smart Air Pump, with a battery capacity of up to 2,000 mAh and more air nozzles. This air pump has a built-in smart chip that automatically detects and adjusts the air pressure to ensure a safe and reliable inflation process. Its advantages are its high-tech sense and convenience, suitable for smarter and demanding users. To summarize, each air pump has its unique features and advantages. If you need a lightweight and fast option, mini metal air pump will be a good choice. If you need flexible and diverse application scenarios, portable air pumps are more suitable, and the Smart Air Pump is suitable for efficient and intelligent needs. In addition, we produce portable air pumps that are easy to carry to different places for use, and also offer a variety of inflation modes and air nozzles, which solves the limitation of traditional air pumps that require access to a power source. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful product recommendations and reviews. Let's find the best air pump for you together. See you soon.